Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hi, Miguel.
Hello, Mama. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
So, yalla, I'm gonna start with the US30, guys. Okay, well, let's start with the weekly time frame. As you can see, we still, in this weekly, we talked about it in the morning. We still, as taking it on the weekly, okay? Don't like, you need to know the weekly is something, daily is something, okay? Different time frames, the lower, like the shorter trade, okay? So here, as you can see on the weekly, like we pushed down after a big push up, then we pushed down, hitting this area again and rejecting from this area. So the weekly still didn't close to know how it will close. On the daily, we can follow the daily candles. Okay, let's go daily. As you can see, look at this. Look at this daily, guys. Okay, we had a big push down. Then that's a like it hit like 0.38 Fibonacci. Okay. Then look at this rejection again here. It opened without a wick. Still, then the candles, if you can see, for daily trade, swing trade, the break of this previous candle, it's like we still, if we break it, okay, that's a low bullish momentum. Then this rejecting, we will see tomorrow candle. We can start taking it from the low of this candle, okay, and pushing down with it, because if it pushed like it continued the bearish trend. Here I was like referring to be a bigger retracement, but we will see because August, we will see how it's going to be. Okay, let me put this and show you. Okay, look at the 4 hours. We still have 51 minutes for it to close. That's a big push. Look at this flag, guys. Look, it pushed down always. Always after a big push, there is a retracement. Okay, so it pushed down here. It retraced a bit. There was a big volume, but all the market was crashing. And then started to look at this consolidation inside the flag. Okay, now it's like on this area of the flag. So I'm gonna wait for it for sure. I'm gonna wait for it today. I'm not gonna take this as a long trade. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it even to go down, breaking this area, the low of the daily. Okay, this one. I'm giving it a bit of space. We will see tomorrow how it's gonna be. Okay, so breaking this low, if we saw like a candle opening with doing a good wick up, not like not pushing down without a wick. Okay, for now that's rejecting. That's that candle rejecting. Okay, let's see the break of this area tomorrow. We will follow it in the morning, and let's hope there is volume as to go on it as a swing trade, as daily. Okay, even the 4 hours, that's a great push. Look at all this push from one in the night, in the morning. And this one candle, that's the volume I love. Okay, those candles are the best volume. That's why look at here at the morning, like the London, and that's I don't love those volume. Okay, so let's wait for this, guys. As the buy, I'm gonna waiting. The buy is still par for it. That's why I didn't take any buys for today. So let's be waiting for this and see, because the break of this flag and the continuation of the bearish trend after all this, guys, after the double top, it made like a big push up, then double top, and then big push down. That's amazing. I started the cells from this area, guys, and then you go. That's the cells I love. But here, I don't risk it, honestly, because I catch those cells. Okay, so let's wait for this scenario. The buy, don't put it now, nothing for the buy. Tomorrow we will see on the lower time frame how it's going to be like on the 1 hour. Okay, here, as you can see, look at this huge volume. That's a very huge volume. Look at each 1 hour. That's a big push. Okay, so for now, to confirm, to take it, like here, it's still like I don't risk over this area. I need a retracement always. Retracing, then pushing down, I catch how like I take those trades, I catch it again here. Okay, so that's how like always after a big push here, that was a great sell here. It opened like there was big volume. Then now pushing all the way down now, even taking any sell over here that's risk over this area, even kept pushing down. Don't take it. Don't look at it even. Okay, let it retrace. I don't know if you go to the lower time frame, it might be forming like flag again and then pushing down again as it's gonna be at the same time. It broke. Okay, it retested like this one. It broke. It retested. It like it did as a flag. So our cell will not be this area. Our cell we will start catching it from this area. Okay, and then we continue with it. Okay, that's for the Dow. We go for the gold. As you can see, even gold, that there was like bad volume today. Look, that's a good trading day. That's a great trading day. Those no, no, I don't risk. If I'm gonna take it as a higher time frame. As scalping, you can scalp as much as you can see opportunities. But for me, if I scalp in one session, the like on the session on the US Open, if I want to even look at the gold, because most of the time it do like good moves, okay, or I see the first move, or like not the first move, I see the move on London, okay, and New York, and you follow it. Gold, it worked on London, New York, and US Open, okay. So this trading day, I don't love it, especially in gold, okay. So for now, what I'm gonna be waiting for, look at this big push, retest of the same highs, and then push down. So after this push down, if tomorrow's candle opened this close, that might be a retracement. If we still have the big momentum of the bearish move, we can take it as this securing this 140 pip and then pushing with it down. Okay, so that might be a retracement. Then the second candle opening, like wick up and then pushing down, breaking this area. We can take it as even intraday. Breaking this area to this area, we start securing and pushing down. Okay, let's go again. Let's go to the weekly. We didn't see the weekly. The weekly still nothing like showing like any bearish sign, any momentum right here. Okay, those candles like still pushing like beside each other. Okay, so for the buy, I'm gonna wait for it. We might look at this area as daily, but we will see today's close, tomorrow candle, how it's opening, and then we know. Okay, because if it opened without a wick pushing up, I don't take it as swing as daily. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for it as the buy. We can look at this area. If the candle opened with down and then pushing, respected this low, okay, the previous low, and then pushing up, it's gonna be good. Like continuing to push up. Look, lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher. Still here, higher low. Okay, so let's see how it's gonna be pushing. So that's for the sell. I'm gonna take. That's for the buy. We're gonna look at. Okay, go for the 4 hours. Even you see it 1 hour. And that's look at those 1 hours. That's super bad volume. So let's see how, because August nothing is like confirmed. The swings, the big swings, but you can take it like intradays a lot. Scalp, you can take scalps, but as big swings like daily, it might be slow, too much slow. So your stop loss like gonna be different as an intraday. Okay, okay, we go for the euro now. So we go to the weekly. As you can see, we go this. Look at this candle. It opened, went down, and then pushed up. And in the euro, it doesn't do like big 78 to 80 pip. That's what I was talking about. If you can scalp it and leave it, but the euro is slow. I don't know. We will see how much it took to do this. Okay, look at those 4-hour candles from this area. We start here. It pushed even this flag, but here without it. See this? Okay, it pushed all the way up. Here even like I don't love to take a buy over here. I wait like I wait for a candle as a retracement. This one. And then this candle closed bullish. This candle opened pick up. That was a big news for sure. This liquidity up and down. I think it was Monday. Oh, that was Monday. Monday where everything was great. So look at this, guys. If you took it here, it hit stop loss. That's your second chance to continue with it. And then here it pushed down, retraced. Okay, pushed down again. Now it's consolidating. So let's see. Let's go 1 hour. Yeah, that's a consolidation. So if I need to think about any sell, I'm gonna take it from this area. Okay, study kind of head and shoulder and breaking this strong area over here. Plus here we had a big move, so it might even go down, start securing those. Look at those strong levels. You start securing those, take those areas. Okay, to see the push down. But for the euro, if it push down, and then breaking, don't take it. Wait a retracement. That's a rule, guys. That's a rule. That's more safe than falling into fake breaks. Like euro, it doesn't even move. Okay, so wait for it to like do a flag as this one, like a retracement, then push down, retrace, push down, you see? So here I need like a push down retracement on this area, and then going down again, I take it. Here I don't take it even breaking the flag because we are look this strong, all the strong area. Okay, and the euro don't have the volume. So as for the buy intradays, we can take it from this area, even breaking this one, like it pushed down, and then like retracing after all this huge push. Okay, put the Fibonacci from below. Like here we are, like near the 0.5%. So let's see, both breaks might be like good ones. Okay, so that's it for the euro. We go for Bitcoin. Okay, first let's go the weekly, let's go daily. Remember this trend. Okay, look how it respects the trends, guys. Look at this area. It hit it, it retraced from it. Here, this trend line, it broke it, like retraced. That's a retracement candle. Then this candle, look how much it respects the previous one. And then pushing down, it pushed, and that's a great sell. That's a great sell, guys. You start for sure securing this area. You take it. So here, you look at this one, and then you continue with it. Now, if it continues and your sell is over here, your stop loss like secured and everything, and pushed down, it's gonna like be good one, good push. To reach this area. Look at this huge push even. Okay, and this area. Let's see how it's gonna be pushing because we might reach down more if it continued this momentum. And that's a push retracement, push retracement. Let's see. It might consolidate. We will see. Okay. Look at this. Look at the 4 hour how accurate. Like here it pushed. Okay, it pushed down. It broke it. You wait. Look at this consolidation. Okay, here you have look at this strong area. Here, all this, and that's all this area. That's a strong area. Then here it pushed down. the Bitcoin, you don't take it like the US 30 and this like this, yeah? The Bitcoin moved differently, but follow the retracements, okay? And even from this area, that's risky to take it. So follow this and look at this area. Look at this. All this, you know, I'm not gonna put it like big one, like this and this, or those areas, okay? I put the last low because what I'm taking is a sell, so I put the last from the strong area. Okay, and I see here because there's not much different. Okay, and here it pushed down. Even if you didn't take it here, look at this retracement. Push down, retracement, push down. That's huge volume. Now it's retracing, so even continuing to push down, breaking those areas, it's gonna continue now. Okay, guys, so this is it for me. Joseph, you doing GJ?
Yes. So for the GJ, we are almost on the same place from the morning. No volume at all. But maybe tomorrow we will have a good opportunity for the buy. Tomorrow's candle, if it open, make a wick down and start to go up, we might have a good opportunity from this area to buy. Look at the Fibonacci we are, because at the 0.23 Fibonacci retracement. And if it closed at this area or above it a little, we can continue for 0.3 or 0.5 to retrace this daily trend line also. Look at this daily trend line. It hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We might retrace to this trend line, also as a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. For the 4 hour, look at the 4 hours candle. 4 candles almost the same place, opened, make a wick up, wick down, close in the same area, the same place. On the 1 hour, we also had a triangle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 4 and 5. We might reverse from this area to continue the bearish move. It's confirmed more by this triangle, but we don't have volume at all today. So for the sell, better even not this area. And look also the Fibonacci on this area. It hits 0.5 and reverse up. We might also we could have a good opportunity to buy from this area, but we don't have today volume at all. Better not to risk a trade. We will see this candle, if it closes and the new candle open, we make a wick down and break again this triangle, we might have a good opportunity for the buy, but still low volume today. What do you think, Miguel?
It's great. As for the buy, if it break, it's great because GJ worked كمان too much على triangles. It's good one. بس the sell أكيد هلا better to put it as you was saying يعني not here to take it يعني better to wait to see more confirmation for it.
Yes. We will see the volume tomorrow.
Yes, but the volume is the problem. Like August is bad with volume. So taking swings gonna be bad for it. Sometimes it works like move, but if there was like low volume, it's gonna hit stop loss, then go up, then go down, then go up, and it's gonna be bad.
Yes. We move to Lama.
Yes, but let me see if Noman is still with us. Noman, you want to do your part because it's late in India now.
Hello. Okay, let me share. Okay, everyone can see my screen. I hope so. Okay, on weekly we have very strong resistance level over here. I think it can reject gold for downside. Looking at daily time frame, I'm just marking my support and resistance at this level. Breaking of this range, we can look for potential sells, right, for tomorrow. This candle has to close in this range. Let's see what happens. On 4-hour time frame, I'm looking for sells closing below this range and buys below this range, but we have very small range. This can protect range to fill this range. Let me say on 1 hour. On 1 hour, we have support. Let's see on support. We have support over here. On 30-minute time frame, as it is seen, breaking of this level, it can reach to this level. And breaking of this level, price may go to this level. Let's see on 50 minutes. On 50 minutes, we have support over here. Breaking of this level, it can reach to this level. Breaking of this level, it can reach to this support. Right? This is what I see in market. Breaking of this level, it can go buys. Actually, today, what was the problem for today's trade for my is right where it was? Yeah, this was today's trade. The problem with this trade, I have support over here. I didn't look this support. I didn't look for this support. Breaking of this, it's very small range. Price has rejecting to this support very multiple of times, going up, going down. After breaking of this support, it went up. Right, this is what today's trade. I should wait for this support to break like this and look for buys for long from breaking of this level. It was very small range because we have support over here. We have support over here. This was our mistakes for today. Okay. Now, on the London session, I just made one more mistake was right. There will be support over here. Let's see. Yeah. We have support over here. It just broke the support. I was potential sell for this breaking of this level, right? But it didn't go back because of these ranges. This ranges was supporting. We have support over here because of this protection. Price rejected to background. Okay, this is what I was looking. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Okay, thank you. If anyone has on my
Yes.
strategy doubts, can ask me. If you cannot
Sorry,
ask me, I cannot help you.
please, can you repeat? If what?
If anyone has any doubts or from my strategy, you can ask
Yes.
me. If you cannot
Yes.
ask me, how can I help you?
I will create a video next week when we will have our meeting. I will create a video. You will explain like how you enter the trade and how, like, because we need to help people understand how they need to enter the trade with you. You got my point? because
Yeah.
mainly like we send the entries, the stop loss, take profit, but you don't do that. So we will explain why and how they will enter when you send a trade, because mainly Norman takes scalp trades. So they are fast, they happen like after like few minutes. This is what I understood from him, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will explain it better in a small video around 2 minutes, and it will be clear for everyone. Okay, so and also Norman focuses on price action. Price action because he focuses on candles, support resistance, okay, and trend lines.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Norman. I will share my screen now. Okay, so for the GU is confused these days, and he's making me getting confused. Okay, I think because all of the action that is happening in UK, so mainly today we went into the buy, if we see here, but it was only like this part. So the daily candle, it shows like it's going down again, even like before we start the session, it was around here. So I thought that it was going down also, but now also in August, the volume, you will see the volume, how much it will become slow. It will work on gold better than the GU. While we were taking today the gold trade, the volume got stronger. Okay, so they were both like going up. But after that, like the volume on gold kept it's strong, yeah, it was strong, but on the GU, it was starting to get slower again. So I had to get out of the trade. I can keep the trade open, but I didn't want people, you know, to like collect few profits, or maybe they will be in minus, or maybe tomorrow it will hit their stop loss, or I don't know. I was like skeptic. I didn't like the volume, and I wanted to like keep your like your profits to secure like your profits from gold trade, because both trades were happening together. Gold was doing great, the GU got stagnated. So I went out from the GU trade. Okay, so I will keep the same sell opportunity breaking here, the support line. If we see the support line, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so mainly here is the sell. Today here was the buy, and I'm sure like during better days, it could, yani it moves up and will take the target from here. Okay, but like because the volume is low during this period, so that's why it didn't happen. Okay, so I will keep like this will be my buy opportunity for tomorrow, but of course I need to see the close of today's candle, and tomorrow it's a new day for the GU. Okay, so mainly this is it for me. I have nothing to add to the GU. Okay, so I will move now to your questions and your studies. If you have like any study or any question to ask.